Are your smoke alarms actually protecting you? By 1st January 2027, all private homes, townhouses, and units in Australia must have interconnected photoelectric smoke alarms, a measure designed to enhance safety. This legislation also requires all registered caravans and motorhomes to be fitted with these alarms. Introduced on January 1st, 2017, this law mandates that smoke alarms comply with Australian Standard 3786/2014, meaning existing alarms must be replaced with interconnected models. A number of homeowners are questioning the effectiveness of these new systems. One homeowner, who installed 6 interconnected alarms in 2024, found that they failed to activate during a smoke incident outside, whereas their old, inexpensive alarm would have alerted them. This situation raises concerns about whether these regulations genuinely improve safety or simply provide a false sense of security. With significant investments in these alarms, some wonder if suppliers are offering faulty products at inflated prices. Regularly testing smoke alarm systems and ensuring they are functional and compliant with safety standards is vital for safeguarding families. In fire safety, understanding and investing in reliable smoke alarms can be the difference between safety and disaster. Stay proactive to ensure your home is protected. What do you think about the new smoke alarms? Post your comments in the description below.